At the 8th of May 1886, Atlanta, Georgia, Dr. John Pemberton invented Coca-Cola. John Pemberton sold the rights to Arthur G. Candler as the founder of the Coca-Cola Company. In 1895, Coca-Cola sold over the whole USA. At the World War II, the American soldiers drank 6 million bottles every year.